Hello everyone, welcome to watch my unboxing video. This is a very exquisite voice recorder. Let's take a look at its packaging first. It is very simple and exquisite. Look, this is a user manual. We put it aside. Below is a recorder and a wired headset as well as a data cable. Let me take them all out and put them on table. These are all the accessories of this recorder. Next, I will introduce the basic functions of this machine. Now let's take a look at this machine. It looks very beautiful. Look at its side. This is power switch. Push up to turn on machine. You can see that the machine is now started. Let's take a look at the other side. There's also a small switch here. Push up to start recording. Look, it start recording now with the red light indicates. Now we click the middle button. When you click it, the pause icon will appear and your recording will be paused. Click it again and your recording will start again. Let's go back here and push this switch down to save the recording and look at the screen again, and we can see the file we just recorded. Okay, let's turn off the machine. Now I'm just letting you know the most basic functions. I will record more comprehensive and powerful functions of this VR560 recorder later. Please wait and see.